Oh man, we came across this beautiful carbon fibered out Camaro, man. This is insane. We're at the drift event, autocross. Got the boy Armani out here today, another collaboration. Sheesh. Them rims. Look how wide them rims are. That's a drag car. That's a drag drift car right there. Hydraulic brake in the interior, leather seats. Got the fire extinguisher in case. All the commands in there. My God, this is decked out. I can't get over this car. Matte gray, and it's got carbon fiber all over the bumper. Look at that. That looks scary. Woo. Carbon fibered out. Look at that. Skyline GTR. Rest in peace, Paul Walker. This is insane, man. Woo. Who thinks I can get a ride in this? This is insane. Right side driving, steering right there on the right side. I love the color on that.
All-time favorite JDM cars.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully get one sooner or later.
This right here, man.
I'm not entirely sure, but
This is beautiful right here. Really want to show you guys and put emphasis on how big that exhaust is. Man, beasts. Two gray beasts. Camaro murdered out with that Chevelle. And you got the matte gray and another gray here. This Chevelle is insane, man. They did something real nice. This one, you see the big block in there. Gosh, that's just insane right there. Black rims. Everything about this car says beauty on it. Gosh, it's a beautiful car, man. Oh, this is cool, man. Chevelle, right behind that Camaro. You can't get better than that. That's insane. Wow. This is insane. Got the orange Camaro. Got the SS, man. This one's beautiful too. Sheesh. Alright, I'm about to go on the drag strip right now, I guess, in the little parking lot, and it's gonna be crazy in a second. We got the seatbelts on, and cars are in front of us. Everything's moving. Alright. It's gonna be crazy. Woo! Oh shit. Holy shit. Damn. Crazy, wow. Ooh, that was insane. Armani in there, Chevelle coming on the track. Woo! This is a beauty right here. Armani getting a ride in the Z06. Yeah. He gonna come back a new person. Woo! Oh man,
multiple times, so it's crazy.
Dang.
Full build on
it was really loud.
Engine and everything is awesome.
Jesus Christ, that thing is amazing.
I had a blast, I'll tell y'all that.
Oh yeah. Jurassic Park.
Hey, can I get some riding?
Go on hunt for some dinosaurs. Oh yeah, there we go, Jurassic Park. got to see this one right here. Sheesh. Man, the M5, beautiful. Hell yeah. Shit. They won't let me get in the back of that. You sure? All right, Dark Knights right here. I'm hopping in everything. This oh yeah, the M5. We got Armani up in here. Oh, it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, I was buying Chandler. I used to go up there.
Armani in the back. It's about to take off. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Yes, sir. Damn. Oh, shit. Whoa, yeah, that was awesome. That's crazy. Some big ones right there. Just whipped the M5. It's a nice shot right there. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh man, this is a fucking crazy car. Oh. Good Lord. Yes, sir. That thing is a beast. Beast. Looking at me, it literally is a roller coaster harness around me. It feels like it. Got the Maverick. How many horsepower does this one have?
I have no idea.
Oh, feels like 1,000.
Oh, enough to be the fast guy.
All right.
Just having fun giving rides.
Oh man, that's nice of you. Honestly, it's nice of you. This is my first time at this event, this particular event. I usually go to the Cars and Coffee, but this is the first time I've been to autocross.
You can hang out in the parking lot. You want to drive.
Oh yeah.
Right along.
Oh yeah. Right. Oh, they got Hellcat right there. That Hellcat right there. Looking at us. Oh, you record those too. In the Maverick. It's gonna be crazy. Sir, let's do it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Buckles. It's gonna be crazy, man. I just drove this thing. It was insane. So we'll see how it goes. Have fun. What you think, Amadi? Yeah, look at that face. Look at that face. That was crazy. Oh man.
Oh, wow.
That's that adrenaline rush. Yeah, he couldn't breathe. Look at him. I got the whole thing on camera. Look at that. It was crazy.
That's crazy. You gotta
Yeah.
save the best for last.
Yeah,
So,
exactly, exactly.
if you guys haven't subscribed already to Rap Squad's channel, y'all missing out. Because this event has been the best event I've ever been to so far.
Exactly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
More to
is.
come through.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to Armani, make sure you do it below. That Car Addict, gonna have his Instagram down there too. And it's been an amazing event. Funnest event I've been to all summer. I'm heading out. It was a fantastic event. Definitely the funnest of the summer. And you know, subscribe below. Turn on post notifications if you can. Follow my Instagram too, and we'll have more awesome footage for you guys. So peace out. Thank you.